When they report about Africa, them pick and choose. I just the negative, them pick and make them headline news. But now we wise up, we don't listen to no deadline news. African propaganda, propaganda. American propaganda, propaganda. European propaganda, propaganda. Asian propaganda, propaganda.
Yo, big up Mr. Sting.
Propaganda. They're selling us illusion just like Santa. Propaganda, propaganda. We are no longer here because them put us under. No propaganda. No propaganda. Ooh. No propaganda. No.
Yo, big up Mr. Sting.
See them reporting with no proper investigation. They are agenda is correct assassination. Why don't you report?
I love my ancestors. I'm an African. African. I'm an African. African. I'm an African. Okay. Yeah. So show love to we motherland. Motherland. Can't forget where we coming from. Coming from. Black man and black woman. Don't sell out your tradition. When me attack, me no give a damn. Give a damn. Rasta no bow down to Babylon. Babylon. Like Julius Caesar. I saw me cross over the Rubicon. Come me ready fi fight for liberation and African unification. So no matter where you're coming from your black, remember you's an African. Africa is the cradle of civilization. That is where all things did began. Mama Africa stretch footer and cause we fed up at the separation. Where we say, I love Mama Africa, I'm an African. I love my ancestors, I'm an African. African. African, I'm an African. Yeah, so I now forget I rule.
For the righteous sake, evolve your mind now. In a revolution time, was only doing my work, they couldn't figure me out. But only feeding my children in these times of drought. Early in the morning when the sun comes out, half of my journey already figured out. I will be doing my gigs as I've been tilling the soil. I've been building up temple during the times of storming. We'll be in the mosque in the times of warning. Calling and praising, living life in glory. No bigger bridges, all of sand it will be falling. Instead of doing so, knowledge you seek, that you shall find. The more you learn is the higher you climb.
Yo, big up Mr. Sting.
Your mind, yeah. In a revolution time, yeah. The risk you take, the life you save, the good you do for the righteous sake. Evolve your mind, yeah. In a revolution time.
Prison Prick Impact.
Don't let the wrong influence you. Don't let the good deeds offend you. Love and happiness is there to protect you. In the wilderness when all try neglect you. Life is not easy, put your differences aside. When you see danger, you please walk wide. In this time you need to open up your eyes and open your eyes.
This is a cry for a better tomorrow. People love all the pain and the sorrow. Same script, same story. Say we are tired, no we can't take this misery. How long shall this go on? Step on our rights and see nothing wrong. Feed us with your lies when big things are gone, and nowhere to be found when we need a hand. Time has come for the people to say no to this unity. Time time has come for the people to say no to poor leadership. Resistance, resistance, we're putting up resistance against the oppressors. Resistance, resistance, we're putting up resistance. The system is a suckers. Resistance, resistance, we're putting up resistance. It's an uprising for the people. Resistance, resistance, we're putting up resistance. No means possible. Times are harder, still getting harder. Things are better, the sea look wider. The system of one, corruption on the land. Why do we have to suffer in our own land? We won't give up the fight. People rise, stand up for your right. Why them are blind to the people's plight?
Yo, big up Mr. Sting.
Now right in the judge's sight. Resistance, resistance, putting up resistance against the oppressors. Resistance, resistance, we're putting up resistance. The system is a sucker.
Hey, yeah. Them fit know this. Reggae music play in every country. In every country, yeah. Them fit know this. Dance all a bounce in every party. Yeah. Them fit know this. Reggae music play in every country. In every country, yeah. Said them fi know this. Dance all pull up in every party. Yeah. A little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of the drum and the bass and the treble up in the mix. Music with the vibes, the positive message. Say anywhere you go in the world, reggae spread love in the cities. We have the best time when the music is around. We, the people skanking with the greatest of energy. Yes, this was meant to be, given from the Almighty. Reggae music with some sweet melody. Them to know this. Reggae music play in every country. In every country, yeah. Them to know this. Dance all a bounce in every party. Yeah. Them fi know this. Reggae music play in every country. In every country, yeah. Say them fi know
this. Them knock me down but them make it up. Get up. Me say me vibe them off and live up. Give up. We just a live and let live up. Live up. Live up, I love to light my spliff up. Spliff up. Dirty Babylon, them getting kick up. Kick up. Wow, although them try fi pull the trick up. Trick up. Yeah, tell them fi live and let live up. Live up, live up, yeah. I got a bag of the best from the west and I'm feeling so blessed. Yes, I got a habit of huffing and puffing and putting my lungs to the test. I'm high like a pilot way up in the jet. Smoking some now and I'm saving the rest. High grade, yes, I'm craving it. I am the herbal space cadet, bad from LP and tape cassette. See me on the right and take a left. Put on my crepe and make a step. Anything test, get laid to rest. Number one for the ganja tournament. Long time them a fight the herbalist. Well determined, fit and permanent. Anything test, get dead, I'm sure of it. Rest in peace to Merciless. I love trees like ornaments. Slapping the chalice in Buckingham Palace. I'm high in the House of Parliament. I'm burning out the evil, yeah. I'm fighting for my people, yeah. Herbalists in the area. Whoa. We're breaking down every barrier. Whoa. I'm burning out the evil, yeah. I've been fighting for my people. Whoa. Herbalists in the area. Whoa. I will be busting down the barrier, yeah.
Prison Break Empire Entertainment.
PB, yeah. I still may not give up, give up, give up. The vibe is happy, live up, live up, live up. Them knock me down, me get up, get up, get up. We live and let live up, live up, live up. Me light up, me spliff up, spliff up, spliff up. Babylon them getting kick up, kick up, kick up. You got to live and let live up, live up, live up. You got to live and
jive on your belly, young boy. No care how it rough way that this time. Why be true to life? Made that sacrifice. Ain't no complaint, nobody ball. Push forward, nobody stall. Why? Look to your third eye. Subliminal vibe. They can't reach our frequency. Remedy sacrifice. Drive on your belly and go on. No matter how it rough, weather this time. But true to life, made that sacrifice. Ain't no complaint about the ball. Push forward, no matter style. Why? But true to life. Try practice what you preach. Be fluent when you speak. I some girls
send rain, my judge, send rain. Earth too dry with the wicked people. We need to wash away them sinful ways and evil. Yeah, send rain, my judge, send rain. Send rain, my judge, send rain. Earth too dry with the wicked people. We need to wash away them sinful ways and evil. Yeah, crucial heart, break them heartbeat off of the grid. Them talk sweet, but them corrupted. Dark straight, money demonize the lad where you grew up last week. Don't you see it? I'm telling you. From Brownstown to Wall Street. Mama asks me how me I do it. If I never prayers, my trad woulda buckle. Me ambitious with courage, mental muscle. Me stay out of them way and win. Now make them get me caught in a sin. Send rain, my judge, send rain. Send rain, my judge, send rain. Earth too dry with the wicked people. We need to wash away them simple ways and evil. Send rain, my judge, send rain. Send rain, my judge, send rain. Earth too dry with the wicked people. We need to wash away them simple ways and evil. Baby, African soldiers lead out. Jamaicans with faith crush the feet out. Limited time, I run to the grind. Me never bring burden from my mind. Seal turn ritual, soul start saying. Turtle no slow again when gunshot shine. Send rain, my judge, send rain.
Sentimi noi, siamo noi che abbiamo diffuso sta cultura. Abbascia l'usa lento, ad la musica una cura. Tutto questo quando ormai pari ha perduto, ma noi c'ha lo dialetto e la cultura abbiamo creduto. E detto giorno poi noi montati tanti, c'era ci parlava ci se la cudia con i cantanti. Guarda quanti siamo abili, ricchi e canni senti, ormai sta terra è della luce del
sempre passate presente, ma resa la vita molto interessante. Mi ha fatto capire quanto è importante la vita, l'amore, la terra e la gente. Più consistente, con la scarsezza e un basso potente, una melodia la chiusa volgente, come questa qua. Mi piace la musica reggae perché rientra il cuore della gente, quella semplicità. Nelle alubelo della falsità, ridà la voce a chi non ne ha. Ciao voi a qua. Amiamo la musica reggae, te la dico moi, un amor, casi muraca monfi, no non me senti. Amiamo la musica reggae, te la dico moi, un amor, casi muraca monfi, o sine moya kwai.
Voice for Africa, Zita don't zikayo. Yeah man, I'm representing for Prison Break Empire. I'm Mr. Respect, Mr. Steve.